Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
Performing Arts Dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic, Shopping Plan. Sara, hi Ali, what are you doing? Ali, I'm going shopping. Sara, oh nice. What will you buy? Ali, I need some fruits and vegetables. Sara, are you going alone? Ali, no, my sister is coming with me. Sara, don't forget to buy bread. Ali, sure, I'll get some. Sara, have fun. Ali, thanks, see you later.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.